Stop it. Get some help.
Wait, was I Thursday, July 25th, 4 p.m.?
Everybody get on the ground!
Oh, well, I was at home, obviously.
Everybody get on the ground!
I had some buddies over. We were watching the game, drinking some brewskis. Just an average Thursday.
Oh, I'm going out like this!
Same old, you know. Remember the plan. Grab the dough. In and out. Now go make me proud, Tigers.
Receive a message in the next few days, and we'll be in contact. Take a picture. It'll last longer.
Leave the talking to me, Rob. Hey, you got the...
Why would I bring my maracas? Ron knows mariachi practice isn't until 7.
Yeah.
Good evening, madam.
Give me your money. This is... Oh my gosh. Is this a robbery?
Oh my god. The whole reason I took this stupid job was because I wanted to get robbed. Turns out I chose the boringest bank in the tri-state area. Oh my god. Took them long enough.
Keep it on the down low, lady.
This is so exciting. Do you guys have a gun? Oh, boo.
Rob, we've been over this.
Can I at least get a selfie?
Just put the cheddar on the bag, lady.
No way, you guys are lame. Scram before I call the cops. Toodles.
What happened?
Somebody forgot their gun.
Okay, boys, take a knee. Gave your best shot, and you failed. But this time, we're gonna do it my way.
Everybody get on the ground! Everybody get on the ground!
Empty your wallet, pal.
I don't have anything on me.
Oh, you got Venmo? Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, Apple Pay?
Zell, I think.
Give me your money! More! More! Give me all of it!
Nice robbing you.
Cha-ching! And that's how it's done, baby.
Does Zell do refunds? Hey there.
Are you gonna rob me?
Oh, what? Okay. Can I have your wallet? Please? Sure, why not? Thank you.
Alright, boys, fall in. One-way ticket to Vaultsville, please.
Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Okay. I have the key. I hope they don't take it and use it to get into the vault. Security! Wake up. This is like your job. Come on.
Oh man, I had the best nap this afternoon. Why am I here again? thought you said they bring food in here.
What?
You know, the bread, the cheddar, the dough.
Cash, you numbskull.
What'd I miss?
Oh, dude, you won't believe it.
What?
Finally robbed this place.
Yeah? Time for some action.
Took him long enough.
Uh-oh. Okay, boys, huddle up. This is what we've been training for. Our final stand, our Waterloo. No matter what happens here, I'm proud of the work we've done today. Well, maybe more so Ron's work, but you gave it your best effort. You with me?
Yeah!
On 3.
1, 2, 3,
Robbers!
What are they doing in there?
Yeah, it's really quiet.
Oh, I'm going out like this!
If anybody moves, I shoot!
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Never mind.
That's what I thought.
You know, that day, the real cheddar was the friends we made along the way.
Yeah, no. You're still going to the slammer, pal.
Man, I don't know. I was just there for the donuts.
California girls were unforgettable. Daisy like this.